What an absolute thriller we've had here in the HPL PSL. Salman, 117 पे 7 विकेटें आप लोग ले चुके हुए थे, उसके बाद मैच हारना, कहाँ कहेंगे, कहाँ पे मैच का मोमेंटम उनकी तरफ गया?
I think अगर हम ऐसी फील्डिंग करेंगे तो it's going to be always tough to win the game. So I think we drop 5 catches. If you drop 5 catches, you're not going to win any game. So fielding was, I think, something we need to improve. And when it's come to batting, we need to be a bit better in middle overs. And bowling, I think as a bowling unit, we did really well.
Just talking about the fielding, I mean, आप fielding की बात कर रहे हैं कि कुछ catches drop हुए, क्या reason है वो lapse of concentration या what do you put it down to?
You can say anything because when it's come to fielding is something if you enjoy you do better. But I think this is something concerning for us. We need to be better in next game. Otherwise, it's going to be a same kind of result if it field like that.
मोहम्मद नवाज की बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस रही, बड़ी अच्छी उन्होंने इनिंग्स भी खेली, तो एटलीस्ट दैट वाज वन पॉजिटिव फॉर यू गाइस.
Yeah, he's been outstanding today. He batted really well and he's the one, that's why we scored 158. Otherwise we could have like 130, 140, but he batted really well. And when it's come to bowling, he bowled a outstanding spell. So altogether I think it was an amazing game for him and very happy for him.
हैदर अली, you know, coming down the order, we've seen कि वो 8वें नंबर पे आ रहे थे. Any particular reason for Haider Ali coming down the order, batting order?
Well, we bat really deep, like you say. Jason bat at 9, so if you have that kind of luxury to bat like that deep, Jason is not number 9, so but he bats 9. So we have a very long batting lineup, and we planned according to that.
Also, plenty of changes today as well. 6 changes in the lineup. I mean, are you obviously trying to try your bench strength? I mean, what's the reason behind it?
There was a few force changing to be honest, because we have few legals we need to look after that before the games, like next 2 games, and those are very important game for us now. So we wanted to obviously look after the niggles, and that's why we're changing that many this in game, that many changes.
All right, thank you so much for your thoughts and all the best for the next one.
Thank you.